Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to use outlets, and we'll be doing some if statements in a Cocoa application. So we'll come down, open up Xcode in the dock. Get this out of here. Oops. File, new project, Mac OS 10 application, Cocoa application. Save as outlets. Doesn't matter what you save it as. And this window right here, well, not this one, but the one before this might look a little different because I have the newest version of Xcode. Okay, so we'll open up the main menu.xib, and for whatever reason in the newer versions of Xcode, they're calling the nib files xib. I'm not sure why they did that. Doesn't really change much because you still use interface builder and stuff like that. So what we'll do, come here. Oops, I need to go to that. We'll just drag over an NS button and then a label. And then we'll go to objects and controllers, drag over a normal NS object to this window. Then we'll give the object a class. We'll call it Hello World. Give it an option or a method. We'll give the object a method. We'll call that method set. Oops. _to _hello world. Doesn't matter what you call the method. Oh, and then it has to end with a colon. And we'll add an outlet, and we'll just call it label. Also, doesn't matter what you call the outlet. Oops, drag this, and then so select label and button, and then hit Control, and then come over to Hello World, and then click on Set to Hello World or whatever method you used, and then just click on Label, and then hold Control, and instead of going from the button to the Hello World object, we'll go from the Hello World object to this, and then we'll assign that to the label outlet. Just save this, save. And then make sure nothing is clicked over here. Come over here, click on Hello World, File, Write Class Files. I'll save it as Hello World in my Xcode projects folder. Also doesn't matter where you save it. Make sure you create the .h file, and it's in Objective-C. Save. Then we'll come over to the Xcode window. Oh yeah, we can just quit Interface Builder. So we're at the Xcode window now. And then right click on Classes, and then Add Existing Files. So we have to go to Xcode Projects, and then select Hello World.h and Hello World.m by holding Shift and clicking on both of them. Yes, add. So this is the, oh wait, first we gotta go to the .h file. So it inherits from NS object. Just delete the stuff that's green. Just type NS object. And then save the .h file. We'll go to the implementation file, and then we'll say what do I call that? Label set string value, and I have my preferences so that so that when I'm typing stuff it will guess. And if you don't have that set, you really should. It's really helpful. But that's a set, and there's no capitals in that, and then a capital S, string, capital V, value, and then the @ symbol, and then quotes, and then we'll set it to say hello world. File save. And what that does, I'll explain this. Since we had the outlet called label, and we assigned it to that label, and then you do set string value, and that makes it say hello world. Oh yes, and we have to do closing brackets, and then a semicolon. Say that again. Let's just build and go. Just wait for it to compile. None. It says hello. Oh, you know, and we told it to say hello world. Well, let's just quit this really quick. We told it to say hello world, but it only said hello because we didn't make the label large enough. So if we go back to the .xib file, or nib if you're on an earlier version of Xcode, open that up again. We'll just have to spread this out. And if we don't want it to say label originally, we'll just delete it. Oops, hold on. Delete the text. File save. Come down here to build and go. Yeah, there we go. It says hello world. Then we'll just quit this. Let's just see how much time I've taken up so far. You know what? Actually, I'm gonna be doing the if statements in another video, just because I think I'm taking too long since you can only have 10-minute videos on YouTube now.